everybody. Today we will discuss about mode. How to calculate mode. Okay. First, we should know what is mode. Mode is a measure of central tendency. It is the most common value in a series or distribution. The item or value that occurs most frequently in a series is the modal value of that series, or the item which is most commonly seen or occurs in a series or distribution is the mode. So a value in a series with highest frequency is the modal value. So that is all about mode. Okay, now we will discuss how to calculate mode. Mode can be calculated in individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Today we will discuss how to calculate mode or modal value in case of individual series. In individual series, mode can be calculated by two methods. Number one is by inspection method. And number two is by converting individual series into discrete series. Right? So first, by inspection method we can calculate mode or modal value of individual series, or by converting individual series into discrete series we can calculate modal value. So first of all, we should know how to calculate modal value or mode in case of individual series. In case of individual series, by inspection method. Okay. You see, we will take an example. For example 1. Calculate modal value of the following series. Okay, here it is given, x values are given like this: 15, 10, 20, 15, 25, 30, 25, 20, 15, 15, 10. For example, this is how x values are given. Then how to calculate them? How to calculate the modal value in this case? You see, solution. Writing the above items in ascending order. First, write them in ascending order. They are not in ascending order. You see here, 15, 10, 20, 15. They are not in ascending order. So, we will first write down the lowest value, then the next higher value like this. 10, lowest value is 10. Okay, then 10. Then, is there any 10? No. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 15s are there. Then 20, how many 20s are there? 1, 2, 20, 20. Then come to 25, 25. How many 25s are there? 1, 2. Then 30. Okay, how many items are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See this. Okay. Now we will write by inspection. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 occurs for a maximum time, for a maximum number in comparison to others, in comparison to other items. So mode is equal to 50. Right? This is the number with highest frequency. You mark here. 10 occurs 2 times, 15 occurs 5 times, 20 occurs 2 times, 25 2 times, and 30 once only. So maximum times it occurs means it is 15 occurs. So 15 is the modal value in this case. So by inspection, by observation, we can determine the modal value. Note it. Now, the next method is by converting individual series into discrete series. We can calculate the modal value when the items given are somewhat large. When large number of items are given, then in that case, we can use this method. That is by converting individual series into discrete series. Okay. Here one example is given. Example 2. Find out mode of the following data. 15, 18, 20, 17, 16, 14, 17, 15, 16, 18, 19, 14, 16, 13, 16, 14, 14, 20, 21, 16. Okay. These are the items given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20 numbers are given. How we will represent this in at first to calculate its modal value? We can use this method. In this method, how to solve this solution? By converting the data into frequency distribution table. By converting the data in a frequency distribution table. Okay, so you will draw a frequency distribution table. In this table, we will write down the x values given, then tally bars in second column, and in third column we will write frequencies. Frequency, that is F. Okay, so what are the numbers given? You see, here the lowest item is 13 and the highest value is 21. Okay, so write them in order. In X column, write them in order, one after another, from the lowest value to the highest value. That is, you see here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21, all are there. So write down here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay, write down here 20, 21. So after writing the x values in order from lowest to highest value, we will put tally bars against them. Okay. You see, number first 15 is there. Okay, put a tally bar. 15. Against 15, put a tally bar. Next number is 18. Against 18, put a tally bar. Next is 20. Against 20, put a tally bar. Okay. Next is 17. Put a bar against 17. Next number is 16. Put a bar against 16. Next is 14. Put a bar against 14. What is next number? 17. Put a bar against 17. Another bar. Okay, next is 15. Next number is 15. Put a bar against 15. Next is, what is that? 16. Put a bar against 16. Next number is 18. Put a bar against 18. Next is 19. Put a bar against 19. Next number is 14. Put a bar against 14. Okay, next is 16. Another bar. Next is 13. Put a bar. Next is 16. Give another bar. Okay. Next is 14. Put a bar. Next. Again. Another 14 is there. Okay. Next is 20. Put a bar. Next is after 20. Next 21. Put a bar. Right. Next 16. Put a diagonal bar here. For every fifth occurrence, put a diagonal bar. Now, these are the tally bars. Count the tally bars, whether it comes to 20 or not, because there are 20 numbers, 20 items. 1, 4, 5, 2, 7, 5, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, counting the tally bars, write down the frequency here. 1, then 4, then 2, then 5, right, then 2, then again 2, then 19, 1, then 20, 2, 21, 1, total 20. Right. So, see here, the highest number of item, highest frequency, the number or the item with the highest frequency. Which one is the highest frequency? 5 is the highest frequency. Of which value? It represents, it corresponds to which value? 16. So, 16 occurs for maximum of 5 numbers, maximum times in comparison to others. 16 having highest frequency in this data. So, we can write as 16 occurs for a maximum time okay. The mode is 16, or we can write Z is equal to 16. Right. This is how we can calculate mode in case of individual series by converting individual series into discrete series. So I have told you there are two methods for calculating modal value in individual series. Number one is inspection method. Number two is by converting individual series into discrete series. So how we have calculated the modal value in this case we have seen here. So note it down and all the best. We will meet in our next part.